Hi, welcome back to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. In this video, we will show you how to install the low voltage transformer for your landscape lights. You will need the transformer, PVC conduit and connector, a PVC strap, your low voltage wires, some screws, a level, and a screw gun. First, you want to mark your screw holes using a level. Then, you want to screw in the screws. Next, mount the transformer. Install a piece of conduit from the transformer to the ground to protect the low voltage wires. Fish the wires up the conduit. Install the rib side of the wire on the COM terminal. Install the other part on the voltage tap that matches your fixtures. Flip the switch for the circuit in the transformer. Now you are ready to install a timer or a photocell. For more help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com and schedule a virtual electrician for more help.